and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. UDP presents Sinchar Thaba from Soyong constituency. LR Bishnoi displays bravery by jumping 5,000 feet from the sky. National ranking archery tournament concludes in Sai Nehu. And Jawai police station shares insights on social media. And now the news in detail. After the sudden demise of HDR Lingdo, UDP candidate amidst the 2023 MLA elections, the Election Commission postponed the elections in Soyong constituency. On the 25th March, before a crowd of people, Metba Lingdo, president of UDP, announced the name of Sinchar Thaba as the new candidate of UDP from Soyong constituency. There is no announcement made by the Election Commission regarding the by-elections in Soyong. UDP announced the name of the candidate to prepare for the elections in Soyong, which will occur any time the Election Commission announces. Present in the day UDP announces its candidate were MLAs, MDCs and senior leaders of the United Democratic Party.
Chairman of the State Election Committee. Adil Bangilayo ya Jipun Snow but executive Nakalian yung kasoyong konsulsi joka UDP kasarta jo piane joka ni suntu shine dakaway the sur badakaway kajikun jumot bakaway garay pilapha ya kakateng jo candidate nakabenta ka party UDP Shaka East Khasinews District UDP Batpan pencepat baka East Khasinews District kala recommend yang ya kakate balapha na kasoyong UDP Circle Shaka State Election Committee. But the State Election Committee Ramdaya Bonia, Ramdaya Don Kamsu Banya Kli Iki Barok, Dakaway Gasur, Kalaray, Banay Yakatiken, Nakabanta Kanika election Soyo Konsusi Nakapati UDP, Siyawa Sensya Upar Lindo. So kemudian dari kapal pada kalian kapati pada pemerintah kampung Basensia pada kodi pada semua bagian bad ya kabangin kepulang kalian kapati bad ini official candidate jong kapati di haka Soyong election kaba min sayo share Basensia semua.
The Director General of Meghalaya Police displayed his bravery to the world by parajumping from a plane 5,000 feet above the sky to the surface and showed his skills and fearlessness by diving in for the love of adventure. The leader and the head of police showcased his bravery at Hindand Air Base. The Office of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya praised the exemplary action set by the leader of the state police, which should be acknowledged and followed by the youths. An archery competition known as the second NTPC National Ranking Archery Tournament NR80 2023 organized by the Archery Association of Meghalaya in the archery ground of Sai Nehu concluded on the 24th March. On the same day, there was also a prize distribution for winners in the competition. Present in the occasion were Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner, Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs, V. Agarwal, IAS Director Sports and Youth Affairs, finally Pariyat, General Secretary of MSOA, Ayant Campbell, H10 and Matsyodor War Nongbri, IAS President, Archery Association of Meghalaya. The winners in different categories include Rampal Chowdhury from Rajasthan, Amit Kumar from Madhya Pradesh, Devraj Mohapatra from Meghalaya, Bhagora Bhargavi Vargeshkam from Gujarat, Ruma Biswa from West Bengal, Shrishti Jeswal from Chandigarh, Chirag Vidyarthi from Madhya Pradesh, Hawaibam T. Kuman from Manipur, Rachit Upadhyay from Delhi, Kasai Rutuja Parmeshwar from Maharashtra, Saloni Kirar from Madhya Pradesh, and Nikita Dagar from Madhya Pradesh.
Target to 10. Target 1, 9. Target 2, 8. Target 2, 9. Target 1.
On the 25th March, Jawai Police Station, along with the leaders of the village community Langtain, organized an awareness program for the people, especially for young school goers, and how to use social media, which is easily accessible on cell phones. In this gathering, the instructors delivered tons of information on social media and the advantages and disadvantages it follows. Alongside the information, a warning was also made known to the students that misusing the internet and social media can lead to habits and actions that can damage the young growing minds, and they urged the students to make use of their precious time and not waste it on something useless that can bear no positive outcome. The leaders of the United Democratic Party presented to the public with a face of confidence of winning after announcing the name of Sinchar Thaba as the new candidate from Soyong. Paul Lingdo, the Minister of Tourism, in his introduction on Sinchar Thaba, expressed to the public that he has faith that the candidate will bring victory and will increase the number of MLAs from UDP. UDP candidate Sinchar Thaba is also the nephew of HDR Lingdo, who passed away recently. UDP chose the candidate with faith in him and the footsteps he follows from HDR.
Hai các Shabapi Hai Soyong constituency Pio Ibe Yoma Hedvan Mde Bumdan Shu Bumdan Wan Bagi Himati Jamu Game Kajin Kala Berlet Himati Jamu Game Kaya kepongsan dan kajin Game Genong Brio Kaya Im She's Pasan Prosnam Never be she's Pasan Totally Himati Dan la bagi she's Pasan Totally Himati Jadi Nakan dah pernah dalam kajin Sosial Confidence Ba Sinchar Nusama Ramba Ubala Pendek Ia kajin pulih Master Naga Department of Geography Ubala Depok Tengnya di exam IAS Kerikda Lalu Bukit you Nasyapatan Rinyan 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 Lalu Bukit Ya Rinyan Nam Sarai Mudanu Berlak Bantuan Negeri Rinyan Rinyan Kalau buat kalau buat apa? Halo dok. Apa? Nanti kumnu kita bangsa dengan kerengkong. Mulai masih pasal presiden bahkan di program bah nanti Syabawi district di Indonesia John melakukan IEK dari Presiden Masnu Indonesia Presiden Nilang Pak Susyar Anda hijau Nambang bahaya Anda hijau Undai lada hijau Lada kabut Artati Anda kabut Nak pergi ke puan Tepuk ke lajak aja Anda jok Waktu orang lada jok Don't we beri orang Lara Tahu di mana Ikut sama Orang lara ngajak mana Ini semua Lara meyok runga Kalau enggak jempi Lara ngapai Hantu Ismang jempi Hangta masalah kota Hangta masalah kota Itu ada sini Kita berjuang Om Lara Akan tentang Lara Om Syumen dijuangkan Inginkan baca Anda hijau Pinang berkanya Tepuk Jong Kani keseng Lain Kepada hebat yuk Sebab Pinangnya Kenapa jungi Barang you.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.